Okay, I'm going to do a quick video on some of the best budget jumper cables that you can buy. You can go to AutoZone. They're made by Duralast. They have a battery voltage display reader on it. It lets you know if the cables are connected properly. Wrong polarity. That light will come on if you have the positive on negative or negative on positive. So I recommend these cables for any females who may be looking for a set of cables, or anybody for that matter. These are some really good cables. As you can see, the light is not on right now, so that means the connection is not, there's no connection at the battery. There's no connection at the battery. So if that happens, all you have to do is just wiggle the battery and then you will see a connection. Right now it's reading at 14.8. That's a pretty good charge. 14.8. So my vehicle that needs a jump was only reading at 11.6. So I'm going to take the cables off the car that's giving me the jump so you can see the reading on the battery that's dead. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and connect the positive to the positive side. The negative has already been connected to the negative side. And we're going to see what kind of reading we have on this battery, which needs a boost. Okay, it's showing 11.6. As you can see, the output is much lower than the car that's running, that's going to give the boost. So I'm going to go back and connect these cables to the car that's going to give the boost, and let's see if we can get a jump. So we have the cables back on the vehicle that's going to be providing the boost, and as you can see, the display is showing 14.8 voltage, which is good. Should be enough to give me a boost to the vehicle that needs it. So we're going to go back over here. This is the vehicle that needs the boost. And here's a quick little tip. Once you connect your cables to the vehicle that needs the boost, you should hear a slight change in the engine of the vehicle that's giving the boost. So let's go ahead and connect this positive to the positive side. You may not be able to hear it, but I heard a very slight change. So let's go ahead, wait a couple of minutes and give our car a try and see if it will start up. It's reading 14.8 now and the polarity is correct. Cable seems to be on correctly. Look like we got the cables on correctly. So let's go around to the vehicle and see if we can give this vehicle a boost that's been sitting all winter. Almost. We're going to let it charge up a little bit more and come back to it. And what we want to do, guys, you want to make sure everything is turned off on the vehicle that needs the boost. So make sure your lights are turned off, windshield wipers, just make sure everything is cut off, because that will drain power before the car receives enough energy to turn over. Okay, I made sure my lights were off. Okay, I made sure everything was cut off and the car started up with no issues. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share. Talk to you later.